All right, y'all, I'm about to make me some quick breakfast before I go to work. Normally, I don't eat until later, but I am starving right now. And don't pay attention to my hair. I wash my locks because I'm about to dye them. Red or gold, then blonde. Leave me a comment and let me know which one y'all think. But let's make this turkey bacon. You can't go wrong with that. I already put me some hash browns in my little turkey bacon need oil. It's not like the pork where it makes its own oil. But I already got me some hash browns in my little oven thing over here. So I should have used my backdoor camera. I got this thing from TikTok that I haven't used yet, but it's supposed to like give you so that you're able to use like your back camera. It like mirrors it so that you're able to use it, but you can still see from the front. I might break that out today and try to use it and see how that goes. That's too much bacon. I'm not even gonna eat all that bacon because I'm gonna fry me some eggs. Some eggs too. I'm actually late for work. They started so much construction on the highway that my daughter was late. Well, she wasn't technically late for school, but she was late for the times that always have her there. But we'll be fine. Okay, we'll be fine. So that's like, this is like the key to making turkey bacon taste good. It's the oil. You put the oil in there. Don't ask me why I just did that, because that was just crazy. Okay. Sometimes I like my turkey bacon to be burnt, but not this time. Not this time. We're not gonna burn it. So my bacon is done. Okay, it's done. I just wanted to get a little bit harder. Because it tastes better that way. So I got my little styrofoam plate. And I'm about to put my bacon on here. Okay. And then I'm going to use this same pan and this bacon grease to fry my eggs. And my little non-stick skillet. So that's my bacon, okay? So I'm going to just wipe it and add a little bit more oil. Just so my eggs don't be black. And I'm going to add some more oil so I can fry my eggs. That was a lot of oil. I'm going to pour some. I got a pot of grease right there that I just poured that in. I more than likely will probably be live tomorrow because my nieces are going to be here. And I am probably going to get up and make them breakfast in the morning. So I will be live when there's this little white stuff that look like, you know what? Like chicken, you know what? I'll take it out. Because I'm not eating it. Okay, so I'm going to season my eggs up with some pepper. A whole lot of pepper. Because I like a lot of pepper. These, I love these. Like, I ain't had to charge these yet, and I had them for like a whole year. A little bit of salt. just to give it a little flavor. And I'm gonna use this chili oil. I use this for my noodles, but I'm about to use it for my eggs too. Y'all, this bacon. I'm gonna put a little red pepper. Okay. Y'all, these eggs about to be so good. Look at that. I should have used my ghetto skillet, because my ghetto skillet cook way faster than this non-stick skillet. This non-stick skillet. It makes sure the stuff ain't sticking. It makes sure it's cooking good. But my ghetto skillet would have had these fried up already. We'd have been flipping and done. Flipping and done. And then I'm going to put some more pepper on top of here. Can y'all hear that? I love pepper. Turn it off. Close it up. Flip it back over. My kids have a habit of just leaving it like this. Ooh, it makes me so mad. I'm like, flip it back over. So easy. This is why I be burning myself all the time. Nope, they're not ready yet. 3 minutes left on the clock. I usually drink coffee. I don't even want no coffee right now. So these are my eggs. Easy like Sunday morning. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of this cheese on top. Hold on. So my eggs are done. My eggs done, my bacon is done. While my hash browns finishing up the last 2 minutes, I'm gonna go take out the garbage real quick, so I will be back. So my hash browns has stopped. My styrofoam plate, I'm gonna use this. Don't say nothing to me about my hands being burnt. That's what I want to do. So now I am going to put my eggs in here. Y'all, I am not about to eat all of this food. This is crazy. I was tripping. And then my bacon. Y'all, who about to eat all of this? Not me. I play too much. Let me get a little ketchup for my hash browns. I have to have some ketchup. And I got some tea that I made upstairs, so that is for my hash browns. So I'm not going to eat any bread. And this is my breakfast for this morning. I'm going to be full all day, because I don't even eat this early. But I woke up so hungry, I think, because I've been up since like 1-ish, almost 2 o'clock in the morning. It's April. I'm going to clock into work at 8:45. But let me show y'all how I like my eggs. Like this. Done. I don't like my eggs running. To each his own though, so I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it, because people eat it. And I've seen Rocky eat like that too. I think I'm gonna watch Creed later. But yeah, this is it. I will see y'all in my next video. I just wanted to throw something up real quick. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. It's hot.